It's our favorite time of the year. It's garden tour season, and joining me today is Jimmy Black with the Tulsa Garden Club, and you're co-chair of the garden tour this year?
Yes.
So you've been doing this for a long time as far as the whole tour.
Yes. And
every
this year we are celebrating our 75th year.
Amazing.
We are headed south.
Okay.
This year is our first tour to be in what I call the foothills of South Tulsa, all approximately around 111th and Sheridan Yale area.
Okay.
All the homes are within 2 miles of each other.
Okay, so how many homes do we have on the tour, first of
Well,
all?
this is a special treat this year.
Okay.
This is the most homes we've had ever. We have 7 homes.
Wow.
One is the Home Builders Association's Designer Showcase home in Midtown. So then you'll take a look at that and head south.
Okay.
We have 6 homes, 6 amazingly different homes. We have a contemporary landscaping, very minimalist type landscaping. We have a woodland wonderland. We have a home with 3 koi ponds that have purebred koi.
Wow. Okay.
We have a pollinator and Japanese garden. That is amazing.
So something for everyone, really.
Absolutely.
Every type of plant
Yes.
material, water gardens.
Yes, you will get something from every garden, and they are all different from each other.
Okay. So 7 homes, but close together. So what is the date and the hours of the tour?
Yes, the date and the hours are May 9th from 10 to 4, and they are all approximately within 2 miles of each other, approximately around 111th and Sheridan Yale area.
That's awesome. So fantastic day. And where can people get their tickets, and how much are the tickets?
The tickets are $25. They can get them on Eventbrite or TulsaGardenClub.com, our Facebook, or from the Tulsa Garden Center. Till Friday at about 3 o'clock is the cutoff.
Okay. But they can pick them up at the addresses too?
Absolutely,
Okay.
yes. Come straight to the addresses,
Okay.
which you can find on our website and Facebook.
Well, Jimmy, I know it's always a fun day, and you get to see so many other fellow gardeners on the tour.
Yes.
So, and today we're getting a sneak peek of just 4 of those 7 homes, right?
4 of the 7.
I can't wait. Let's go take a look.
Okay, let's do it.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.